In the realms of teenage fashion, London is now the acclaimed centre of it all. And so it's not surprising to find a store like Peter Robinson of Oxford Circus at the hub of this fast-moving scene. Today's quick-changing fashions have produced fiercely competitive markets. No gimmick or ingenious display technique is overlooked by the people at the top in a continuous campaign to catch the eye of the would-be purchaser. Sometimes they hit the jackpot. Take, for example, 26 of London's leading departmental stores, whose combined annual turnover is well in excess of £130 million. Put them all together for one gigantic sales effort, add a touch of imagination, a lot of colour, and you have the Festival of London Stores. In England, Whitsun has always been a traditional holiday. It is a time when young and old alike catch a little spring fever. Princess Anne adds her own fashionable comment to the occasion. Suddenly, the air of Park Lane is shattered by a swinging carnival. But there is a serious side to the whole affair too, for the theme of this parade is British exports. Peter Robinson's entry, a tableau designed by David Toguri, choreographer of the hit musical Hair, combines new fashions for the younger set with the ruggedness of JCB excavators, a leading exporter in their own right, to form a rich display of colour. Down Piccadilly, round Eros and into Regent Street, the 3-mile procession weaves through the centre of London's West End. By their own efforts, London stores have turned spring shopping into a festival of fun. To ensure a consistently high quality of tableaus in the parade, the show organizers added that competitive spirit by running a competition for the most original and creative entry. Through their enterprise and imagination, Peter Robinson and JCB were awarded the Silver Rose Bowl first prize. To celebrate the victory, the winner and runners-up were invited to a garden party and reception at the exclusive Hurlingham Club, where they met some of the television stars who set their own fashions. The high spot of the afternoon was the unusual arrival by helicopter of Sheila Scott, famous for her solo world flights. This was to be a day of firsts, a first flight by helicopter and a first introduction to the controls of a JCB, although she was not allowed to try her hand at digging up the cricket pitch. The garden party provided a happy finale for all those who had jointly contributed to success in the Festival of London Stores.